episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm going to talk about an alternative solution to soldering, and especially I came across a product that is so far advanced and so amazing. It makes the job so much easier. It just blew my mind. And the product does not even require a soldering gun and you're doing soldering. All it requires is just a cigarette lighter.
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
So here's the product. What this product is, this is essentially a shrink tube, has two rubber bands in the end and the soldering material in the middle. So what you try to do is you insert the two ends that needed to be soldered from both sides. These two bands holds it from both sides, so the soldering area does not move. And then once you heat the metal, it melts and it solders right away. Essentially, the way this thing works is you slide the thing over the soldering, and you make sure the metal piece it's right exactly where it needs to be soldered, and the two rubber bands on two opposite ends. Now you take your lighter and heat up the rubber bands first, because once you heat up the rubber band, it will hold the tube in place. And once these rubber bands are hot, now it's time to heat the metal. And I don't know if you guys can see, the metal is melting inside right there. The metal just melted and it leaked on both ends. And that's how you do a solder. Yeah, this is an amazing product, and I'm sure a lot of you are scratching your head and you're like, where was this when you were struggling either under the vehicle and trying to solder and all these soldering liquid metal falling in your face, or you're trying to solder under the dash in this cramped location where you can barely get your hands in there, forget a soldering machine or anything like that. This is an amazing, smart innovation. Now, the cost of the product is, I bought this bag, it came with 32 units for 40 Canadian dollar, which is about 30 US. So these are almost $1 a unit. But if you look at the bigger picture, the amount of freedom it provides you, or the ease of access and the versatility this product offers you, that dollar goes through the window so fast. Anyway, I will be giving away this bag to one lucky subscriber this month. So please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and leave a comment. What do you think about this? Or is there any other product on the market more useful or more versatile than this? Stay tuned.